From February 20th to 22nd, the multinationals tour of Chengdu industrial parks was held. Representatives from over 100 global enterprises embarked on an investment exploration and industrial cooperation journey, gaining an immersive understanding of Chengdu's industrial development and investment environment while seeking new collaboration opportunities.
我们来了大概30位的企业啊，我们来的企业都是有这方面诉求，愿意到中国西部来开展合作的，所以我们把这些企业组织过来。他们对来成都中国西南部的一个日益增长的一个市场，通过中国班列，通过成都的双机场，然后跟欧洲联通。这次来访主要是很多企业了解了这里，有些企业有愿望到这里边进行一些考察、一些投资、一些合作。
I work in the cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, digital twins, product lifecycle management. So we would like to push this development in the industry. And Chengdu is a very nice city, very young, very dynamic, and the people are very friendly. So I am really expecting that we will come to close cooperation to come better together, Germany and China, with leading companies, not only located here, but also small and medium-sized companies we will bring to China.
The China-Europe Chengdu Intelligent Manufacturing Cooperation Park is located within the Qingbaijiang European Industrial City, adjacent to the Chengdu International Railway Port, the Qingbaijiang section of the Sichuan Free Trade Zone, and the Railway Port Comprehensive Bonding Zone. It serves as a crucial hub in the Belt and Road Initiative and is an integral part of the Chengdu International Railway Port Economic Development Zone. Today, Qingbaijiang District has successfully attracted multinational corporations such as Procter & Gamble, TCL, and Yuhu Cold Chain to establish operations.
It's really impressive. We have been in one company producing wind turbines. It's amazing, it's huge, and I really haven't known that kind of companies exist in this city. Also, we have visited car producer from this area. It's also, I'm really impressed with the capacity and quality of their business. I haven't expected that city is so huge and so many industries around here.
My purpose for being here is I like to bring companies with innovation technology here to Chengdu, and I'm looking especially for all technologies which is good for the human being. That means for air, for water, and for CO2 neutral production. And all these companies which there are some special techniques, they are interested for me to bring them to Chengdu.
I'm looking for business, what can we do here, what can we invest, and how are the opportunities and the support of the city. Very interesting, especially I look to the production. We had also companies produce solar panels. It's more or less similar production cycle what we see here, but here still working with manual additions.
Currently, the total investment of foreign enterprises in Chengdu has exceeded $46 billion, with approximately 5,000 foreign investing companies operating in the city. Among them, 315 are Fortune Global 500 enterprises, making Chengdu one of the leading cities in central and western China in terms of both the number of foreign enterprises and the scale of foreign investments.
Chengdu is a very, very clean and let's say a starting new economy development. And this I have seen within 1 year there was a big increase in more new companies, and that shows that this is a very, very attractive area. We will bring more companies into the area, in the industry area, so that they are like a bridge between Europe, Germany, and China, especially the western part of China. And there Chengdu, with this railway station, is a very, very important hub for getting connected between West and East.
这几年，随着这个成都城市的发展，中欧班列的影响和这个最新的这个双城经济圈这些建设呢，国外的企业和国外人是越来越了解成都，所以很多德企开始关注这边准备来这边做发展。包括这2天的考察，让大家有很完整的一个更多的认识这样的话对下一步不停的交流促进合作有好处。